Boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In today's edition of newspaper of Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch, take a cipher block in Japanese, Suguru with 4 stars, and this one you are interested in. Yes. The binary puzzle number 8339. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Number 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Number 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Number 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes... Oh, 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Number 1. Here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, quick to solve. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.